The technological landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace. For software developers, this era presents both immense opportunity and significant challenges. The rise of artificial intelligence, particularly in code generation and automation, is reshaping traditional roles. Many developers are now asking critical questions about their long-term career viability. It is essential to proactively adapt to these shifts. Understanding where your skills will remain most valuable is key to sustained success. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the software development lifecycle. AI tools are becoming increasingly proficient at generating boilerplate code and automating repetitive tasks. This efficiency gain is undeniable, but it also means that purely routine coding work faces potential commoditization. Developers who focus solely on basic implementation without broader system understanding may find their roles diminishing. The value proposition for a developer is shifting from merely writing code to designing, optimizing, and managing complex systems. This evolution demands a strategic pivot in skill sets. Amidst this transformation, cloud engineering emerges as a uniquely resilient and high-demand field. It sits at the critical intersection of software development, infrastructure management, and operational excellence. Cloud platforms are the backbone of modern digital services. The dynamic and distributed nature of cloud environments makes them inherently complex. This complexity requires human ingenuity for design, troubleshooting, and optimization. AI can assist, but it cannot yet fully replicate the holistic understanding and problem-solving required. Cloud engineering demands a diverse set of skills that are less susceptible to full AI automation. Infrastructure as code, for instance, involves not just writing scripts, but architecting resilient systems. Understanding distributed systems, networking, and security principles is paramount. Optimizing cloud costs and performance requires deep analytical thinking and strategic decision-making. These roles involve continuous adaptation to new services and complex integrations. They demand a blend of technical expertise and critical thinking that AI struggles to replicate. While other specialized roles are also valuable, cloud engineering offers a more direct and accessible progression for many developers. Consider the path to becoming a data scientist. This often requires a significant learning curve in advanced statistics, machine learning algorithms, and domain-specific knowledge. It is a substantial pivot from traditional software development. Cybersecurity is another critical field with high demand. However, it necessitates a deep dive into threat landscapes, vulnerability management, and compliance frameworks. The learning curve is steep, and it requires constant vigilance and specialized certifications. It is a highly specialized domain. Software or solution architect roles are indeed highly sought after and well compensated. Yet these positions typically demand many years of broad industry experience and a proven track record in designing large-scale systems. They are often the culmination of a long career, not an immediate next step for many developers. Cloud engineering, by contrast, leverages a developer's existing coding foundation and expands upon it. Existing software developers possess a significant advantage when transitioning to cloud engineering. Your foundational understanding of programming logic, data structures, and system design is directly transferable. You already think in terms of code and automation. This background makes learning infrastructure as code tools like Terraform or CloudFormation more intuitive. Your experience with debugging and problem-solving in application development translates seamlessly to cloud environments. You are already accustomed to building and deploying software. The demand for skilled cloud engineers continues to outpace supply across industries. Businesses are rapidly migrating to the cloud and require experts to manage these complex environments. This high demand translates directly into excellent job security and competitive salaries. Cloud professionals are critical to an organization's operational efficiency, security, and innovation. Their strategic importance makes them invaluable assets, Investing in cloud skills is a direct investment in your long-term career stability and earning potential. Making the transition to cloud engineering is a strategic career move that requires focused effort. Start by choosing a major cloud provider like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. Pursue foundational certifications to validate your knowledge. Engage in hands-on projects, building and deploying applications within cloud environments. Explore infrastructure as code tools and practice automating deployments. Contribute to open-source cloud projects to gain practical experience. Continuous learning is paramount in the cloud space as services evolve rapidly. Stay updated with new features and best practices. Network with other cloud professionals and seek mentorship. The future of software development is intertwined with cloud technology. For current developers, embracing cloud engineering is not just an option. It is a strategic imperative for career longevity. It offers a clear path to enhance your value and secure your professional future. By evolving your skills to meet the demands of cloud-native development and operations, you position yourself at the forefront of innovation. This proactive approach ensures your expertise remains indispensable in an AI-driven world. Invest in your future by becoming a cloud engineer.